Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're reviewing the Daily Yoga app, a mobile application dedicated to improving your health and wellness through the practice of yoga. Daily Yoga is a wonderfully designed app that truly brings the yoga studio experience to the comfort of your own home. It provides a variety of yoga classes, making it suitable for all levels, whether you're a beginner just dipping your toes in or an experienced yogi looking to deepen your practice. What really stands out about Daily Yoga is the variety and comprehensiveness of its content. The app features more than 500 asanas, over 70 yoga programs, and 500 guided yoga, Pilates, and meditation sessions. It's like having a personal yoga instructor available 24/7. The user interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy to navigate through the different sections. The video instructions are clear, with professional yoga instructors guiding you through each pose and breathing technique. The user interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy to navigate through the different sections. The video instructions are clear, with professional yoga instructors guiding you through each pose and breathing technique. What's unique about Daily Yoga is its community feature. You can connect with yoga enthusiasts worldwide, share your progress, and even ask questions and get support. It's a great way to stay motivated on your yoga journey. While the app offers free content, the Pro version unlocks advanced routines and exclusive workshops, which can be a worthwhile investment for those looking to dive deeper into their practice. Like all apps, Daily Yoga may have its drawbacks. Some users have reported issues with the app's tracking capabilities, and others wish for more content in the free version. However, these are minor issues considering the wealth of resources available. In conclusion, Daily Yoga is an excellent tool for those seeking to start or expand their yoga practice. It offers a flexible and comprehensive yoga resource right in your pocket, helping you to unwind, build strength, and improve flexibility at your own pace. I give Daily Yoga a solid 4.5 out of 5 stars for its detailed, easy-to-follow programs and its commitment to creating a global yoga community. And that's all for today's review. If you found this helpful, be sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more app reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.